Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Before we get this video started, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe and make sure you smash that thumbs up button. It really helps out my channel. I'm showing you where the fuel pump relay is located and how to replace it on a Honda Accord. And it's under the driver's side, right, kick panel right by the steering column, located on the right hand side of the steering column. All you do is you reach up in there, right there, you get it unplugged, then you got to undo it from the bracket that it's got little tabs. Show you on the new one. They make it slide onto, but in this case facing down, and it slides right here on these tabs. You unplug it, slide it up off them tabs, and replace it with your brand new one. 1 second, we'll get the old one out, then I'll show you them side by side. Alright guys, here's the old one right here. It's the original equipment one straight from Japan. I said in this plastic housing right here, you break off these, not break off these tabs, but pull these tabs apart and pull it out. The solder joints in there break down over time. And so when the car is really hot or really cold, the vehicle will not start. Plus you can tell by the weight of it too, where it's broken down over time, the solder joints and the board, the composite board inside there, gets condensation in it. And this one is really heavy compared to this brand new one that's aftermarket. You know, this one right here, the original equipment one, it's a lot heavier than the brand new one. So now we just go back over underneath there and plug in the new one. We're gonna set the old one off right there and take the brand new one and stick it up in there. All right, guys. Here's the old one, and throw it out of the way and show you up in there. Well, we got the new one mounted up in there. I said it's right beside the column on the right hand side. Got it mounted on the bracket. It goes through right there. I don't know if y'all can see that bracket or not. And then got it plugged in, and that'll fix your problem. Like I said, that's on a Honda Accord. Why it won't start. Hope y'all found this video useful. Like I said, smash that thumbs up button. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Y'all have a great day.